How to change default color, shape, font of comment box in Excel. A comment box in Excel is a useful feature that allows you to add notes or explanations to cells within worksheets. However, the default comment box may not suit your preferences or needs. Fortunately, you can change the default color, shape, and font of a comment box in Excel by following these steps. Select the cell that has the comment that you want to format. Right-click on it and select Show Hide Comments. By default, comments remain hidden in Excel until you hover over the cell. To display the comments, you can select the Show Hide Comments option from the context menu of the cell. Alternatively, you can click on the Review tab and click on Show All Comments, to display all comments in the active worksheet, in the Comments section. Once the comment becomes visible, click anywhere on it. The entire comment will be selected. You can keep it selected or select part of the comment you want to format. Then right-click and select the Format Comment option. This will open the Format Comment dialog box. In the Format Comment dialog box, you can change various aspects of the comment box, such as the font type, font style, and font size of the comment text using the available options in the Font tab. You may also choose to underline the text or change its color from the default black to whatever you prefer. Other effects such as strike-through, superscript, and subscript are also available, which could be useful in explaining formulas. The background color of the comment box using the available options in the Colors and Lines tab. You can choose a solid fill color or a gradient fill color from the drop-down menu under Fill. You can also adjust the transparency of the fill color using the slider under Transparency. The border style, border color, and border weight of the comment box using the available options in the Colors and Lines tab. You can choose a solid line, a dashed line, or a dotted line from the drop-down menu under Line. You can also adjust the color and weight of the line using the options under Color and Weight. The shape of the comment box using the available options in the Properties tab. You can choose a rectangular shape, an oval shape, or a custom shape from the drop-down menu under Object Type. If you choose a custom shape, you can select one from a variety of shapes under Edit Shape Change Shape. Once you are done with formatting your comment box, click on OK to apply your changes. That's it. You have successfully changed the default color, shape, and font of a comment box in Excel. If you want to change them for all comments, you may need to change your Windows settings. However, this will also affect other items such as tooltips, web pages, etc.